Hey there, today we're diving into the versatile iniuniu Diaper Bag Backpack, a 4-in-1 kit that's perfect for both moms and dads on the go. This large, unisex backpack is not only stylish with its sleek black polyester design but also incredibly functional, featuring a diaper pouch, washable changing pad, pacifier case, and built-in stroller straps. With its water-resistant outer fabric and lining, you'll find it easy to keep everything clean and organized, making it suitable even beyond the diapering years. The bag boasts a spacious main compartment and 18 functional pockets, including a clever dual-purpose side pocket for wipes, ensuring all your baby essentials and personal items are neatly stored. The portable diaper pouch, complete with a machine-washable changing mat, is perfect for quick trips and can be easily carried on your wrist or stroller. Designed for comfort, the bag features ergonomically cushioned shoulder straps and an easy grab top handle, plus a luggage strap for seamless travel. With its gender-neutral color scheme and modern style, this diaper bag makes an excellent baby shower gift and doubles as a functional weekender or laptop backpack. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.